Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Emily Elizabeth and I am so excited to share with you. I am getting ready to pack, as you can see, and based on the title of this video, I am taking a solo trip to Italy. I cannot even believe I'm doing this. This has been a year in the works planning everything out and it is finally here. I leave tomorrow. So caught in an action, I can't rewind. And in my head I'm screaming, but out of my mind I'm still too young to feel this way. I'm so excited. I'm gonna say that so many times. So I'll say this in my next vlog as well, but I am going on this trip by myself. I met somebody through social media that lives over there and we connected, and some other people that are also going on this trip solo, we're all meeting there. So I'm not going solo, but I am, because I know nobody. I literally am going to meet strangers in Italy and then wander around the country together. I'm insane, but I'm so excited and I think it's going to be such a great opportunity. You can't put a price on experience, and I love learning new cultures and experiencing them. So we are going to do some serious packing today. I originally started packing in my carry-on suitcase because I like to have my suitcase with me, but I'm realizing I'm not gonna have enough space to bring everything back that I want to bring. So I borrowed this big suitcase from a friend, and I'm gonna underpack. I'm trying to underpack as much as possible so that I can not have to carry everything around. Right now it's October, and based on the weather right now, it changes and fluctuates a lot in Italy, but it's supposed to be warm. So that's what I'm packing for, with a couple cool temperature outfits. So let's get to it. Okay. So here's some of the stuff I am bringing. This was the original suitcase I was gonna bring, and it's not gonna work for everything I'm bringing. Don't mind that stuff over there, we'll get to it, but here's the suitcase, empty that I'm bringing. Okay, so one thing I did last night to get started was I picked out my outfits that I'm gonna wear there, and I picked the ones that won't wrinkle and put them in this bag. So I bought these vacuum storage bags so that I could shrink some of my clothes so I can have extra space. And this comes with 20 of them and really has gigantic bags in them, and also small ones. I'm gonna add that in first. Close up the bag and suck all the air out. So in here I packed my jean jacket in case it's cooler, a scarf that can open up and be like a cover up or a head cover if we're going into the Vatican or churches and things like that, pajama shirt, leggings, undergarments, a sweater, and 2 bathing suits. I don't know if I'll swim, but just in case. Right now I'm using a mattress blower upper thingy backwards to suck the air out because it's faster, but I did buy a portable one where if you double click, it does it for you, so that when I'm in Italy I can suck the air out of these bags while I'm over there, and it's portable, so no cords and anything like that. So I'll link this down below if you guys are also traveling and need this. Alright, there we go, all suctioned out, so that'll be going in first. There, I'm packed. Can we just like look at all this mess? Oh my gosh, I can't even see it all, but we're gonna fit it all. Okay, now I'm gonna add in all the other outfits. So what I did was I picked out 5 outfits because I'm gonna be there for 5 actual like doing activities days. The other days are more travel and leisure days. So I picked out 5 outfits that I'm going to wear there, and this helps me underpack because otherwise I bring too many options. So what I did was I just picked out the outfits that I wanted, and then I also packed a cold outfit because when I went to Morocco in 2019, it was supposed to be hot, and I packed all clothes for that, and it ended up being freezing, and I wore the same jacket for the entire week because I only brought 1 jacket. So a little bit of both is good. I'm just gonna add in all of those clothes now. Again, these are the ones that I didn't want wrinkled in the suction cup bag, so I'm just adding them on top. My other trick is to roll your t-shirts and clothes that, again, you feel like can get wrinkled. So I fold them and roll them up. That's what I did to some of these t-shirts. So for example, I rolled this dress, I fold in half and just roll it up because this material doesn't wrinkle. So just roll it up, and it saves a lot of space. I know there's a lot of people that have mixed reviews about rolling clothes, but for me, it is a huge space saver because I've packed both ways. When I went to Jamaica also, I did this, saved a ton of space. Okay, and then I also picked out what I'm gonna wear on the plane and have that out and ready. So I'm gonna set that on the side for tomorrow morning. Okay, so look, that is all the clothes I'm taking. That's it. I tried to minimize as much as I could, like I said, and I saved a lot of space vacuum sealing it. So these are the clothes I'm taking, and let's hope I did a good job. So now I'm gonna pack my kind of bulkier items. I'm bringing this things, I just found it. I knew it, I've had it for years and I've never used it. But I found I'm gonna use it, so I put some extra things in here. So some medicine, dry shampoo, Advil, hairspray, some nail clippers kit that I've had for years. This is a little fan that like pops up for when you get hot. Melatonin, what do you call it, tweezers, I have Q-tips in here, you know, all of that good stuff. So I also have an extra eye mask. I'm one of those people that can't sleep without an eye mask, so I have another one I'm bringing, and this is my backup. I also have some makeup wipes that I'm gonna put in here. A makeup remover wipe, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna add my sunscreen in here. I have 2 sunscreens. Where's my other one? I'm also gonna add my sunscreen in here. I have this spray travel size sunscreen and a like lotion version for when I'm traveling. That is gonna be in my everyday backpack while I'm touring around, but for now I don't need it in the airport, so I'm gonna put it in here. And then I'm also gonna pack my umbrella. This is a like collapsible tiny umbrella because you never know if it's gonna rain. And then I'm gonna add in, I also found this. I keep everything, and that's when it comes in handy. So this I put all of my hair stuff and jewelry in. So I have little pouches of sets that go together, extra makeup in case, you know, I run out. I have some eyeshadow. And then here's a hack. Buy one of these from the dollar store or a pill container. It helps separate all your earrings and rings and things like that, and it helps them from getting mixed up in travel. So I put sets of earrings in here and also hair ties for cute little hairstyles I'm gonna do. So that's in here too. I have a little bun maker just in case I want to put my hair in a bun. So we got all that in there. I also bought some new jewelry to take on this trip. So I got some little butterfly earrings, and I got these cute earrings and some rings. I won't use all these rings, but I'll mix and match. And for these, I just like to leave them on the ones they came in so that it doesn't get mixed up. So I'm just gonna add that to my jewelry bag here. Also got this little necklace. I thought it was cute. I also bought this really cute hat. I'm not usually a hat wearer, but is this not so Italy, right? So I'm trying to figure out how I should pack it. Usually people wear it while they're traveling, but I don't want to do that. So we're gonna try and figure out how to put it in here. I think I'm gonna stuff some of my clothes in it. I put it upside down, and I decided to put some of my shirts under it as a cushion, and then I put the hat on top. I don't know if you can see. And then I filled it with some of my clothes, and I'm gonna set it in there like that. And then I just, because there's a brim right here, I'm just sliding this little thing under here, and then I moved this to where my clothes were. That's what it's looking like. So let's move on to some of the things I bought for this trip. Okay, aside from some new clothes, because obviously we did some damage there, I got one of these things. It's kind of squished. It's a snake selfie so that, you know, I can take pictures of myself without asking somebody to do it for me, because I don't know these people. So I'm gonna take it out of the box so I have more space, but I'm gonna put this together with my electronics. And then I also bought, I went to Marshall's, guys. Did some damage at Marshall's, but I got this travel blanket because I wanted one for the plane. I am technically flying overnight. I will land at 7 a.m. Italy time. So I'm gonna try and sleep overnight on the plane. So I wanted a blanket. This was $10 and it comes with a little pouch. So this will be in my carry-on. I also got this cute little Aldo bag from Marshall's. I wanted a bag to bring on the plane with me because I usually bring a duffel, but I wanted something that would double as a carry-on bag and also something to carry on while I'm touring around Italy, you know. It has a little zipper right here. So I'm gonna take all this paper. Okay, finally got it all out. So there's a couple pockets in here, some front pockets here and one back pocket there. So this was I think $50, which was a little bit more than I wanted to pay, but it's cute. It's cute. And I also got, not very exciting, but I got some new socks because I really needed socks. Tell me why it's so hard to find women's socks that are not purple and pink. I just wanted black and gray. So found some socks. I also bought some new sneakers. I'm gonna wear my another set of sneakers, my comfy sneakers there. These to wear with anything, sundresses or cute outfits. So I like to keep my shoes or bring my shoes in plastic bags so that when you bring it back, it's not all over your clothes and they're dirty. When I bring shoes there that I've already worn, I do the same thing. Because I don't really see a point in buying those fancy bags for your shoes because this was free, you know? Okay, next. So I'm visiting a friend, well, not a friend, we're gonna be friends after this, but the person I connected through social media lives there now. She's originally from the United States and she doesn't have access to some of the things and snacks here, so I bought her some snacks. So if you're watching this video, I'm bringing you some snacks. So I got her some Pop-Tarts that she likes, Cheetos, and French onion dip, and beef jerky. Actually, I'm gonna put this in a bag just on the off chance it breaks. Okay, sorry, I had to change the battery. But I also got this little wallet thing because I wanted to keep all of my cards and cash and stuff in one place in my license. This is my regular purse. I love Michael Kors. I also bought this cute little bag as a, what do you call it? A body strap purse. So in case I want to use this, I can also have a smaller thing to use on the go. More paper. I also keep a travel bag for my shampoo and conditioners. And I'm going to put a little bit of this paper in, A, to protect the chips that I'm bringing, but B, in case I bring anything back that's fragile, I can have some paper to wrap it in for the way back. Did you hear that? That was my dog. She's sitting on the other side of the door. All right, let's move on to electronics. So obviously to make all these videos, I have to have all the stuff I need to travel and show you guys. I guess this falls under electronic, but an adapter. You guys make sure when you're traveling to another country you have the right adapter because the plugs, like the outlets in the US, are different than other countries. So make sure you have an adapter. This one is the one I used for my trip to Morocco. So I'm going to use this again, and then I'm also bringing an extension cord so that I can plug the extension cord into here just in case my hotel room bed or whatever curling iron doesn't reach this. And then I also bought this one. So this one's just for multiple countries in the future. If I don't use it, I can return it or just keep it to have, but it's just the block version, so a kind of smaller version of this one. But definitely essential to have. Make sure you have the right outlets, guys, because otherwise you can't charge anything. I think that's all I'm going to add for down here. I think I'm going to zip this up and start working on this and put the electronics up there. Okay, I did a little rearranging, but I think I'm going to put a piece of paper over the hat too, protect it even more. The other thing I like to do is keep like things together. All right, more electronics. Obviously, I'm bringing the camera I'm recording with. I'm also bringing my drone because I'm so excited. I'm a little bit nervous to put it in my carry-on, but I think it'll be fine. So I'm gonna get some nice drone footage for you guys. I have 3 extra batteries for it because it comes with this little bag. I have the DJI Fly 2, I think. And then I'm also packing a portable charger. So I have 2 of these, so I'm bringing this one and another one. I'm bringing my GoPro as well. This handle is waterproof, and I like because you can keep it on your wrist. And especially in Morocco, I could record, and if somebody tried to, you know, like swipe it from you, it's attached to you. So I'm not super worried about that here, but still. And it extends. I am bringing my iPad and my iPad charger. I don't love this case, but the only reason I like this case is because it has a stand. This will go also in my carry-on. I have a USB-C and a USB plug. And then, I don't know if this counts as it's not really electronic, but something you plug in, I guess. My curling iron. Gotta have the hair looking good. We'll add that in there too. I am bringing one of these things, my perfume. I love this perfume from Burberry. I like having argan oil for when your hair is dry because I'm going to be curling it and stuff, and that kind of makes my hair dry. Real argan oil from Morocco. I love this stuff. All right, here's what it's looking like so far. It's not that fancy, but we're not packing to be cute, guys. We're packing to be functional. All right, so I think that's actually it. Wow, I'm doing pretty good. Let me close this. All right, I'm gonna pack this little guy now. So I have my iPad in here already and my blanket. I'm packing earplugs because you never know who you're gonna sit next to on the plane. It has a little carrying case. How cute is that? So I'm gonna put this one in here. And then I also have these locks. I've had these forever, but I'm gonna use these for the suitcase. And then I also got this cute little carrying case for my passport and my COVID vaccine card. Snacks. I need the snacks. So I'm gonna put one of these in here, and then I'm also bringing snacks just to have there because I don't know, I get very hungry, guys. So we're gonna bring wet wipes, sanitizing wet wipes, travel, what do you call this? Travel Lysol spray, and a mask, of course. Oh, these are a cool thing I found. I have no idea if they work, but they're supposed to help with jet lag. They're a homeopathic remedy for jet lag. You're supposed to take them every 2 hours starting at takeoff. So I'm gonna set an alarm to take these, let you know how they work. But I'm willing to try anything, honestly, to not be exhausted when I'm there. And I'm bringing lotion. And of course, a little bottle, travel size, of Purell that I'm gonna fill up before I go. Gum for the airplane. Definitely need some chapstick. Add some chapstick. I think that's it for this bag. Oh, a little wallet thing. So I'll put that in the front so that I have easy access to it. Oh, I forgot. Those plug-in headphones to the airplane. I don't think I'll use them, but because I have my Beats too, I'm gonna wear my black Beats. And then, oh, of course, I got Euro. So I am flying out of Florida. So I found this coupon for the Florida currency exchange. Obviously you can order cash from your bank, but I thought I did and I didn't. Whatever. So I drove to a place to get some, but look how pretty it is. Why is US money so boring? Here's this one. And then I got this one. Now I think that's it. Whew. Okay, I almost forgot deodorant too. And then I forgot to mention I'm also bringing a water bottle because, so obviously I'm going to also bring my toothbrush and things like that, my chargers, but I can't pack that right now. So I'll pack that tomorrow morning. I'm waking up way earlier than my flight anyways to adjust, but I'll have all those things. I hope that some of those tips were helpful. If you are also traveling to Italy or Europe in general, definitely check out some of the things that I included in my suitcase. But I'm so excited. Stay tuned for all of the Italy vlogs. I'm so excited to share everything with you. The best places to eat, all the activities we're doing. I'm doing a lot, so it is going to be some jam-packed vlogs. I can't even believe I'm going to Italy by myself, but we're doing this. So thank you guys so much for packing with me, and I'll see you in Italy. Bye!